at the Bangalore Fortis hospitals. Now at present, we have achieved quite a remarkable capability for doing heart transplants. Both the Banagata Road and Cunningham Road Fortis hospitals are certified by Karnataka government for performing heart transplant. Our capability, width and breadth of the team, possibility and capability for working out the logistics. We tested last case all our possibilities. It was a pediatric age group patient and we had to pick a dead man's organ, a dying man's heart from Vizag. So to bring it from there and here at the night, from the time we stopped the heart there and we brought it here, transplanted and restarted the heart in the OT, the time clicked was 4 hours and 1 minute, which is a good test of our logistic capacity. The patient recovered very well, within a week nicely settled. So we have come of age. We have a tremendous support system in Fortis World. The Fortis World in India, between our center in Madras, Chennai, and the center in Mulund in Bombay, we almost do India's 2/3 of heart transplants. The center at Malar in Chennai and the Banagata Road and Cunningham Road centers in Bangalore, we work as a single team. So we have a large team where people can go to any district places of any of these states, pick up the heart, bring it properly managed logistically into Bangalore and do the transplant in time. There is collectively a huge experience in all departments of heart transplant. So heart transplant today in India has come of age. In the city of Bangalore, there are almost 7 centers which have been performing heart transplant. 16 centers have been certified by the government capable of doing heart transplants. In 2016, till then, Karnataka, only 58 people had donated cadaveric organ donation, but in 17, that number was 62, and this year, by August 2018, Karnataka have already got 68 donors. So I think this has picked up. We at Fortis are treating heart transplant almost as a non-commercial exercise, no profit exercise. We also have mustered the support of some philanthropic organization who are giving us partial or sometimes even full financial support for some of the economically backward patient of ours. So we are a center which is very well organized, geared for heart transplant, and any patient who needs heart transplant, patients who need heart transplant are patient who has a very weak heart, not pumping well, where what we call as the ejection fraction is almost less than 20%, and the patient is not responding to drugs properly. These are the people who have reached the end stage, who will die soon, who will require proper medical management to keep them alive and then get them heart transplanted. Today, the outcomes, the heart transplant success rates are almost same, rival with the success rate of kidney transplant, which has become quite a commonplace. Globally, the longest surviving heart transplant is in Marseille, France, which is beyond 40 years after this transplant. In Karnataka, as I told you, it has already become routine. The capabilities here are almost eyeball to eyeball with most of the American centers because of the support system that we have. So, any patient in Karnataka or around Karnataka, the bordering districts of neighboring states, we are ready to help you for heart transplant, help you both physically to get you out of your illness, and also if required to support you financially and to see that your family is supported by us.